So welcome back to the Dadskillz car channel. You find me now in one of the members of the fleet, which is the Peugeot partner van. And today we're going to have a go at fixing a little chip in the windscreen that I got the other day. I don't know if it's too big or not. I don't know. I've never tried it before. This is the stuff that I've seen on other YouTubers use. I see there's a couple of cheaper kits out there, but this one was 21 quid off Amazon in the UK. So we're going to have a go. I'm going to put a little sheet of white paper over the inside so you can see a bit better. So we'll give it a go and see how we get on. Ah! Well, there it is. Whether I've left it too long and it started spreading, I don't know. So we'll open the packet up and see what we've got to do first. Okay, so first thing we get in the kit is this little corkboard type pin that we pick out all the loose glass out from inside. So make sure it's all gone. Hoover it out. Give it a little clean over with some glass cleaner. And then we get this disc in the kit. So peel off one side, stick that over the hole. Now peel the other side off. And then we can stick our little funnel device thing there. Make sure it's stuck down nice and tight. Now this is our resin, so we've broken the tip off the resin and then pour it in there. So there you see we put our syringe on when it was fully pushed in and we pulled it up to that height, as you can see, and that sucks all the air out. So after 10 minutes of that, we then take the syringe out, give it a little clean, and then put it back on, and this time we push down to another increment on that syringe, and that then puts pressure on the resin. And then I waited 20 minutes. And syringe is done, and now we go back and peel all the bits off. Use the razor if you want to help you do that, that's in the kit as well. Give it a little wipe, and now with our bit of resin that's left over in that tube there, put some down there, and then they supply you with this UV plastic cover thing to go down on there. Now if there's any air bubbles in that, you can squeeze those out with the razor blade. Now leave that in the direct sunlight, and I left it probably 25 minutes. But it says 15 minutes, and if it's really cloudy day, leave it for an hour. So 25 minutes, then I went back to it, and then I can peel that off. And using my razor blade, all the excess I can now peel off. And I thought using a razor blade on this window could leave it scratched, but it doesn't, surprisingly. So we just gently peel all that back, take your time over it, no need to rush it. And as you can see in a moment, the actual harshness of what was there, the harsh break, chip, if you like, has gone. We've still got a mark that you can see on the paper there inside the van, but the actual harshness has gone and the hole has been filled. Ah! So there we go, that's the example. Left-hand side is the original, and the right-hand side, you can hardly see the window at all. That's just the reflection onto the paper inside. And there it is. Was it worth a go for 20 quid? Yeah, of course it was. Will it pass the MOT with it? Hopefully. We'll find out in a couple of months, and I'll keep you informed. So if you like what you've seen today, there's plenty more videos on the Dadskillz car channel. YouTube are going to recommend one to you now. Take a look, and I'll catch you again. Cheers.